हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। फिजिक्स में थ्योरी समझने में जो डिफिकल्टी होता है उसे दूर करेंगे और न्यूमेरिकल्स कैसे इजीली सॉल्व करेंगे उसे बताएंगे। वेलकम टू सौरभ क्लासेस। लेक्चर नंबर 9 स्टार्ट करेंगे। यहाँ हम लोग न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एंड फोर्स को सॉल्व करेंगे। सो वन बोर्ड एग्जाम ये पूछा था कि व्हाट इज द फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन चार्ज Q प्लेस्ड इन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E। What is the force acting on charge Q placed in electric field E? Answer is F is equal to QE. This is also a board question. Which of the following graphs represent the variation of magnitude of E vector with distance r? So option is given A, B, C, D. So option D is correct. Option D is correct because हम लोग को मालूम है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इक्वल टू 1/4πε0 Q/r²। सो इफ चार्ज Q इज फिक्स्ड देन E is proportional to 1/r²। when this E proportional to 1/r², then r² is taken along this axis and E along y axis, then we'll get the graph like this. So this is correct. Calculate the electric field strength required to just support a water drop of mass 10⁻⁷ kg and having charge 1.6 into 10⁻⁹ कूलम। यहाँ क्या हुआ है, एक क्वेश्चन बोर्ड क्वेश्चन है, CBSE बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन है। कैलकुलेट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ रिक्वायर्ड टू जस्ट सपोर्ट ए वाटर ड्रॉप ऑफ मास। वाटर ड्रॉप मास, सो गिवन डाटा मास ऑफ द वाटर ड्रॉप 10⁻⁷ kg, charge given 1.6 into 10⁻⁹ कूलम. We have to find out electric field intensity E. So weight of the water drop, it is acting vertically downward, so that is weight is equal to mg, where m is the mass of the water drop and g is the acceleration due to gravity. So mass is given 10⁻⁷, acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. so weight it is in total is in Newton. F is equal to QE, where charge of Q is given 1.6 into 10⁻⁹, and E is equal to E. It is also Newton. So water drop will be supported. Water drop will be supported when this vertical force, that means weight of the water drop is acting vertically downward. It should be balanced by upward force. So force should act in upward direction because weight is acting vertically downward. So this is the water drop. This weight is vertically downward, so this force should be in upward direction. So water drop will be supported if the force is equal to weight of the water drop. So force value is this much, weight of the water drop value is this much. After solving we'll get 6.125 into 6.125 into 10⁻12 Newton per coulomb. ठीक है। One more exam question. 2 point charges +2 microcoulomb and -2 microcoulomb are located 10 cm apart in air. Calculate the electric field at the midpoint P of the line RS joining the two charges. Second bit, if a negative charge of 1.6 into 10⁻⁹ coulomb is placed at that point, find the force experienced by this charge. Question में दिया है given data, there are two charges, one is positive charge and another one is negative charge, and distance between these two charges is given, and the charges are placed in air, that means relative permittivity is 1. So this is first charge, positive charge, this is second charge, it is negative charge, and electric field we have to find out at the midpoint. Midpoint means, suppose center to center distance is r and P is the midpoint, means from this distance to P and this distance to here, are equal. So this distance is equal to this distance. Therefore, from distance R to S is R. So R to P is R by 2. P to S is R by 2. Now see, first we'll find out the direction of electric field intensity. So place unit positive charge at P, that means plus 1 coulomb. This is positive charge. So plus 1 coulomb charge is placed here. Then this plus 1 coulomb charge will move in this direction. That means electric field intensity due to this charge, positive charge, is along this direction. Now this is negative charge. This is plus 1 coulomb charge. This will be attracted towards this charge. So this will move in this direction. Then electric field due to this charge E2 is in this direction. Now net electric field at P is, both electric fields are acting in same direction. ठीक है, U1 is acting from left to right, U2 is also acting from left to right. Therefore both are acting in same direction. So net electric field is equal to U1 plus U2. We have taken here magnitude of the electric field because using sign of the charges we find the direction of electric field intensity. Using sign of the charges we are finding the direction of field intensity. Now we will calculate the magnitude of field intensity. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by distance square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q2 by distance square. Here distance is R by 2, here also distance is R by 2. ठीक है. So putting the charge and the values, we will get 14.4 into 10 power 6 Newton per Coulomb. It is acting along PS. Now second bit question is asking, a negative charge is placed at the midpoint. Here the midpoint is P, that is our observation point. So here see, this is the positive charge Q1, this is now negative charge. So this is positive charge, this is negative charge, there is a force of attraction. So in this side force of attraction. This is negative charge, this is negative charge. Both are same types of charge, so there is a force of repulsion. So here due to this charge the force is also acting in this direction. So electric force acting on Q0 is Q0 into E. So value after putting we will get minus 2.3 into 10 power minus 2 Newton along PR. This is the answer. Now one more question. This is also board question. Two charges of 10 microcoulomb and 40 microcoulomb respectively are placed 12 cm apart. Find the position of the point where electric field is 0. Here given both charges are positive and distance between the charges are given. We have to find out the position of a point where the electric field is 0. ठीक है. So this is the Q1 charge, it is also positive charge. This is Q2 charge, ये भी positive charge है. Consider a point P between the charges, and this charge, this point is at a distance x from this charge. So Q1 and Q2 charge, distance between them is R, and this distance from this charge क्या होता है x. So remaining distance is R minus x. अभी देखो फर्स्ट हम लोग देखेंगे डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, कौन सा डायरेक्शन होता है. सो प्लस यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज एट P. This is positive charge, So this unit positive charge will move in this direction, due to this positive charge. So electric field intensity due to this charge is E1 in this direction. Now this is also positive charge. Here +1 कूलम चार्ज हम लोग प्लेस किए. So due to this charge, here this charge will, unit positive charge will move in this direction. This means this electric field is from left to right due to this charge. This electric field is right to left due to this charge. So E1 is the electric field intensity at P due to Q1 charge. E2 is the electric field intensity at P due to Q2 charge. So after finding out the electric field intensity direction, now calculate the magnitude of the electric field intensity. That is E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by distance square. What is distance between them? X. So x square. E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q2 by r minus x whole square, because distance is here r minus x. Here the two electric field intensity are acting in opposite direction. They are acting in opposite direction. So they find the position of point where electric field is 0. That means when these two electric fields are equal, at that time we will get the point, neutral point. So field at P will be 0 when E1 is equal to E2. Putting the value of E1 and putting the value of E2, putting the value of E1 and putting the value of E2, we will get this equation. So after solving we will get 3x is equal to r, x is equal to r by 3. The value of r is the distance between the two charges, that is 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter by 3 is equal to 4 centimeter. ठीक है? See here one note. This is 10 microcoulomb charge from the question. This is 40 microcoulomb charge. This is the observation point, and this is now 4 centimeter. So total is 12 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. So remaining is 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. So electric field between two positive charges will be 0 at a point near to the smaller charge. Electric field at a point will be 0 near to the smaller charge, because here it is 10 microcoulomb, here it is 40 microcoulomb. ठीक है? So ये 10 microcoulomb का नज़दीक में हम लोग का ऑब्जर्वेशन पॉइंट है, जहाँ की इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हम लोग का 0 हो रहा है. So it is tell that electric field between two positive charges will be 0 at a point near to smaller charge. One more important question. In the given figure, three identical charges, each of magnitude q, are situated at the corner of the equilateral triangle. Find the electric field intensity at O. In this question, three identical charges of magnitude q, माने equilateral triangle का 3 vertices में equal magnitude of charge है, and it is the centroid of a triangle. So this is from O, OA distance, OB distance, OC distance are equal. So from the O, all three charges are at equal distance and all the charges are equal. So net electric field intensity at O will be 0, because it is a equilateral triangle, and three vertices contain equal amount of charge and all are at equal distance. Then definitely net electric field at O will be 0. Now we will calculate, or by guessing also it will be 0. So see, this is the, here first we will find out at O direction of electric field. So by putting plus 1 coulomb charge at O, this is positive charge, this is positive charge, so this 1 coulomb charge will move in this direction. So electric field at O due to charge at A is equal to EA. Similarly, here plus 1 coulomb charge placed, so this is positive charge plus Q. Due to this plus 1 coulomb charge will move in this direction. So electric field is along this direction, that is EB. Similarly, EC. Now, when we extend this line, it will make 90 degree with this side. And this is the half of the 60 degree. This is 30 degree, this is 90 degree, so it will be 60 degree. So it is 60 degree means opposite angle, this is also 60 degree. Similarly, this is 60 degree. So we have to calculate the resultant electric field intensity between these two. Acha. The angle between these two electric field intensity EA and EB is 120 degree. So ER is equal to the resultant electric field intensity between EA and EB is equal to EA square plus EB square plus 2 EA EB cos theta. But EA is equal to EB is equal to EC, and say it is E. So putting these values, we will get E, because cos 120 degrees minus 1 by 2. Okay. So now we get ER is equal to E, and also EA is equal to EB is equal to EC is equal to E. So EC is equal to ER is equal to E. These two electric field intensity are equal and opposite. Therefore, net electric field intensity at O is 0. Now, one more important question, very important question, we will now calculate. This is board exam questions. 2 point charges of 16 microcoulomb and minus 9 microcoulomb are placed 8 cm apart in air. Determine the position of point at which the resultant electric field is 0. 2 point charges given. One is positive charge, another one is negative charge, and their distance between them is 8 cm. They are placed in air. That means relative permittivity epsilon r is 1. We have to determine the position of point where the resultant electric field is 0. Now, this is plus charge, positive charge, this is negative charge, and net electric field intensity 0. In between the charges it is not possible, because सपोज हम लोग यहाँ कंसिडर करते तो क्या होता है, प्लस 1 कूलम चार्ज के लिए इधर मूव करता, यहाँ से इधर जाता, फिर ये माइनस Q2 चार्ज के लिए ये भी इधर जाता. सो नेट फील्ड विल बी इन सेम डायरेक्शन. देन it is not possible to get neutral electric field. Then definitely it is on the line joining of the two charges, but not between the charges. It is the outside the charges. So this is the line joining between these charges. In that line, take one point P, and this point is at x unit from B. ठीक है. अभी हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी का डायरेक्शन पाने के लिए यहाँ +1 कूलम चार्ज प्लेस करेंगे. यहाँ जब +1 कूलम चार्ज प्लेस करेंगे, देन दिस इज पॉजिटिव चार्ज, दिस इज +1 कूलम चार्ज हम लोग प्लेस करेंगे. देन this unit positive charge will move in this direction. So electric field due to this charge is E1 in this direction, that means left to right. Now this is the negative charge, and electric field due to this negative charge, here the plus 1 coulomb charge will move towards this charge. So electric field in direction will be for this charge is towards this charge. Okay, so this E2 electric field intensity from right to left side. E1 is the field intensity at P due to Q1 charge. E2 is the field intensity at P due to minus Q2 charge. Okay, अभी हम लोग कैलकुलेट करेंगे मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ electric field intensity both E1 and U2. So E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by distance square. What is the distance? From here to here distance is R, here to here distance is X. So direct from here to here distance is R plus X. So R plus X square. E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q2 by R square. Here magnitude of charge is taken positive because we are using the sign of the charges for getting the direction of electric field, and for the calculation of the magnitude of the electric field we are taking magnitude of the charges. So at the neutral point, or where the field will be 0, then E1 is equal to U2. Putting the value E1 here and putting the value of U2, E2 here, we will get 4x is equal to 3r plus 3x. So x is equal to 3r, that is 24 centimeter. So when the point is 24 centimeter away from negative charge, at that point the electric field intensity will be 0. So there is a note here. The electric field intensity will be 0 at a point not between the charges but on the line joining of the two charges if two charges are of opposite sign. The 0 position will be near to the smaller charge. See, when both charges are positive, first charge is also positive, second charge is also positive. When to find the direction of electric field intensity, suppose this is the observation point P, plus 1 coulomb charge is placed. Then due to this positive charge, this will move in this direction. So this electric field is from left to right due to these charges. Now this is also positive charge. Due to this charge, this plus 1 coulomb charge will move in this direction. That means right to left. So these two electric field intensities are moving on the acting opposite to each other. So when both charges are positive, there is a possibility of getting neutral point between the charges. Similarly, when the both charges are negative, say this is the observation point P, ये हम लोग का नेगेटिव चार्ज हुआ, यहाँ इन द ऑब्जर्वेशन पॉइंट में हम लोग प्लस 1 coulomb चार्ज प्लेस करेंगे. देन दिस प्लस 1 coulomb चार्ज will move in this direction. So electric field intensity E1 is due to this negative charge. Now due to this negative charge, this plus 1 coulomb charge will move in this direction. So electric field intensity due to this negative charge is E2. So when the both charges are positive or both charges are negative, E1 and E2 are acting in opposite direction. Then the neutral point where electric field intensity will be 0 will lie between the two charges. Now one charge is positive and one charge is negative. मैंने फर्स्ट चार्ज को पॉजिटिव ले लो, सेकेंड चार्ज को नेगेटिव ले लो. हम लोग इन बिटवीन द चार्ज कंसिडर करेंगे. देन यहाँ प्लेस करो +1 कूलम चार्ज. देन ड्यू टू this charge, this is positive charge, this +1 coulomb charge will move in this direction. So electric field intensity will be due to this charge E1, that means from left to right. This is negative charge and this +1 coulomb charge, this is negative charge, so this +1 coulomb charge will move in this direction due to this negative charge. So electric field intensity is also left to right. That means the net electric field intensity, that means both E1 and E2 are acting in same direction. So there is no possibility of getting electric field intensity 0 between here. Now when this is positive charge, this is negative charge, consider a point not between the charges but along the line joining of the two charges, outside the charges. Then in this observation point place +1 coulomb charge. ये positive charge है, ये +1 coulomb charge will move in this direction because this is plus, this is plus. So electric field intensity due to this positive charge E1 will be from left to right. This is negative charge, so this is +1 coulomb charge, this will move towards this negative charge. Then electric field intensity due to these charges is E2 towards this direction. So the neutral point not between the charges but outside along the line joining of the two charges present. ठीक है, this is the fundamental. Okay, one important question is CHSE board पूछा था. The four charges are arranged at the corners of a square as shown in the figure. The direction of electric field at the center of the square is along option A DC, option B BC, option C AB, option D AD. यहाँ क्या है, एक स्क्वायर दिया हुआ है, स्क्वायर का 4 कॉर्नर में 4 डिफरेंट चार्जेस प्लेस है. सो इसका नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विच डायरेक्शन में होगा उसको निकालने के लिए बोला है. तो फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसका सेंटर में यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज प्लेस करेंगे और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन निकालेंगे. सो हम लोग का क्या, यहाँ +1 कूलम चार्ज प्लेस करेंगे. दिस इज पॉजिटिव चार्ज, ड्यू टू दिस this 1 coulomb charge will move in this direction. So electric field due to this charge is EP. Similarly, this +1 coulomb charge will move in this direction due to this positive charge. So this positive charge is at S, so it is ES. Similarly, this unit positive charge due to this positive charge will move in this direction. So this electric field intensity is ER. Similarly, EQ. Now ER and EP, these two electric field intensity are acting opposite to each other. This ER and EP, these are acting opposite to each other, and EP is greater than ER. So net electric field is EP minus ER and it is along OR. ठीक है. Similarly, this electric field intensity S and EQ are acting opposite to each other, and S is greater than EQ. S is greater than EQ. So net electric field intensity between S and EQ is S minus EQ along OQ. So net electric field between EP and ER is net electric field intensity between EP and ER along OR in this direction. Similarly, net electric field intensity between ES and EQ along OQ, then in this direction. Therefore, the resultant electric field intensity between this E1 and E2 will be in this direction. Therefore, answer is along DC. ठीक है. So this is important questions. CBSE board. From CBSE board, a free proton and free electrons are placed in an uniform field. Which of the two will experience greater force and greater acceleration? Both will experience same force because F is equal to QE. Electric field is uniform electric field, so it is fixed, and charge of electron and charge of proton are equal. So force experienced by them are equal. Now electron will experience greater acceleration as compared to proton because the mass of electron is smaller. हम लोग को मालूम है फॉर्मूला F is equal to ma, that is A is equal to F by m. When mass is small, acceleration will be more. So in case of electron, mass is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Proton is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. So electron is lighter as compared to proton. So acceleration is more. 2 point charges of unknown magnitude and sign are at a distance d apart. The electric field is 0 at a point not between the charges but on the line joining them. What can you conclude about the charges? The electric field may be 0 at a point not between the charges but on the line joining of the two charges if two charges are of opposite signs. The 0 position will be nearer to the smaller charge as compared to the bigger charge. ठीक है. अभी one more important question. What is the magnitude of an electric field intensity that will balance the weight of an electron? So what is the magnitude of electric field intensity that will balance the weight of an electron? Weight is always acting vertically downward. So weight is equal to mg. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg and acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. So weight unit is Newton. The force should act in upward direction because weight is acting vertically downward. ठीक है. Weight is acting vertically downward, so force definitely should be acting in upward direction. So to balance, F must be equal to mg. So putting the values, we will get intensity E is equal to 5.6 into 10 power minus 11 Newton per coulomb. ठीक है। मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मेरा चैनल सौरभ क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।